So here we go. This is it. Panini Black Football 4 coming right up. So let me pull up a fresh NFL spreadsheet and we can get this baby underway. So the last box was, okay. The biggest hit in the last box was the gold ink Kobe Fleener, which is kind of cool. Yeah, I'll post the link for the YouTube broadcast for sure. It'll be right here on this page. So I'll post it up there for everybody to be able to see. It'll be right here on this page. So here we go. We got Panini Black Box 4 right here. So good to see CollectorRevolution.com in here. How you doing over there, Jonathan? How you doing, man? What's Collector Revolution up to lately? You guys got anything new coming out? Here's our list of participants in the break. We're going to copy this list. And we're going to go to random.org. And we're simply going to right-click and paste. Hit the random 7 times like we always do. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And drum roll, please. 7. Ba-doom, ba-doom, ba-doom. So there we go. We're going to copy from Greg B at the bottom to Brian S at the top. Simply right-click and copy this list right here. And we're going to bring up our alphabetical NFL spreadsheet where we're simply going to paste that list right there. And here we go. Brian, you got the Cardinals, man. Holly, Falcons. Jesse, Ravens. The original Tim H with the Bills. Paul, you got the Panthers and Bears. That's Paul S. We got Tim H with the Bengals. Dean M with the Browns. Ed with the Cowboys. Brian S, you got the Broncos and Lions. Dean C with the Packers. Ed, Texans. Mike G, you got the Colts. Dean M with the Jags. Dean C with the Chiefs. Brian P, Dolphins. Paul S, Vikings. Jesse, Patriots. Heather W, you got the Saints and Giants. Patrick F, you got the Jets. Dean C with the Raiders. Brian S, Eagles. Holly H, Steelers. Jesse, Chargers. Heather W, you got the 49ers, Seahawks, and Rams. Tim H, you got the Bucks. Dean M, you got the Titans. And Greg B, you got those lowly Washington Redskins that nobody likes. So Greg B gets stuck with the bottom of the barrel Washington Redskins. Look at that. Poor Greg B. Man. So there we go. So if anybody wants to trade, feel free. Feel free to make a trade. We're going to try to find out what CollectorRevolution.com has coming up in the near future, what those guys have going on. Maybe they'll give us some insider tips or an insider look to what's going on. Alright, so it looks like Brian and Heather just made a deal with Ed. Mike G, yes sir, you have the Colts, man. So Giants for the Texans is a done deal. So Heather is going over to Houston. And Ed is coming to the Giants. See if anybody else is making any trades here. Yeah, I tell you what, man, that new eBay fee system is terrible, isn't it? But Collector Revolution, that's great for you guys, man. You guys should pop a cork and celebrate. eBay's loss is your gain. But yeah, I mean, they're just, eBay, it's a non-stop. They're always going up. Always going up. So that's okay, though. It's going to just drive business elsewhere. Yep. I think that's Silberio right there, if I believe. Barbarian sack. All right, so it doesn't look like anybody else is going to make a trade, so let's print out the list. Print it out. All right, can everybody else see? Okay. All right, so here we go. Andrew B, that's right, man. Don't be that guy. So if you don't be the guy that says, man, I wish I would have got in on that break. All right, so here we go. Good luck. Panini Black, number 4. Here it is. Good luck. Let's see what we pull out of this one. Hopefully it's something nasty. Let me turn the light on. I want to see a Luck or an RG3, or Russell Wilson would be nice too. But here we go. Kevin Cobb right here. Cardinals going out to Brian S. This is number 39 of 349. Brian S. Got a Kevin Cobb. We got a LaMichael James, 157 of 349. 49ers going out to Heather W. It's a gold ink auto relic. So that's really cool, man. LaMichael James, gold ink. Going out to Brian and Heather, 49ers. 6 points to you guys. That's a nice one. Next up, we got a Chris Johnson, Titans. That's going out to Dean M. That's going to be numbered 9 of 49. Right there, 9 of 49, Chris Johnson. Then next up, we got a man versus man. We got a Nnamdi Asomugha and Des Bryant. So who owns the Eagles? It's Brian S. with the Eagles. And Ed with the Cowboys. We'll have to random that off after the break. That is numbered 185 of 349. Okay. So next up, we've got LaShawn McCoy, Weaponry, Eagles. That's going out to Brian S. 39 of 349. Then next up, oh boy, Lamar Miller. That's my boy right there. Let's see. Oh, man. Oh, wow. Look at that. Miami Dolphins. Brian P. Brian P., let's strike a deal, man. That's a nasty 3-color patch, gold ink auto. Brian P. just scores 6 points. Man. Good stuff. Yeah, that's a buyback. 2 of 49. So, Brian P., where you at, man? Let's do a deal here. Kellen Moore, Lions. 48 of 99, Detroit Lions. This is going out to Brian S. Kellen Moore auto. So Brian S. scores 5 points. We got a Tim Benford, 12 of 25, Dallas Cowboys, going out to Ed. Ed scores 5. Tim Benford auto. We got a Jason Witten, 5 of 20. Oh, wow, look at that, man. That's really nice right there. Somebody in here is a big Jason Witten collector. I'm trying to remember who it is. So this is 6 points going out to Ed. That's pretty nasty right there, man. Wow. That's nasty right there. Yeah, Silverio, man, it's really easy to list on there. Priest Holmes, 17 of 99, KC Chiefs, going out to Dean C. Look at that, man. Priest Holmes. The Dean C. scores 3 points. Give it to the Priest. Then we got a Brandon Taylor rookie. Chargers going out to Jesse. That's number 282 of 349, or 292 of 349. Then we got a BJ Cunningham, 293 of 349. It's going to the Dolphins, even though it's an Eagles logo, because it goes to what he's wearing the jersey of. So that's going out to Brian P. So now we just got a random, the Eagles and Cowboys. So that's Brian S. against Ed. Let's put those two guys in random.org. Brian S. and Ed. So we're going to hit random 7 times, and whoever's number 1 after 7 gets it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Drum roll. Ba-doom, 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 ba-doom. There it goes. Brian S. So Brian S. You get the man-to-man card. All right. So that is Panini